In this video, you'll learn how to manage the approval screen for your listings in TenantMatch. You'll notice the red notification button at the top right of the screen. You can click to view your notifications, clear your notifications, or click on any notification to take you to the respective approval badge. Each conversation or pre-approval request initiated by an applicant will have a badge. On the left side of the badge is the listing image with details, approval status, and the TenantMatch match meter. The match meter compares the screening criteria you've selected for each listing and the application to determine the quality of match that the applicant represents. Any applicant in the dark green is a good match for your criteria. When comparing multiple applicants, this can be used to identify the strongest applicants. On the right side of the badge is the name of the applicant or applicants, the status detail, chat, and history. Note the blue buttons on the top right corner of the badge. Use the Invite Applicants button to send an application request for additional applicant, resident, or guarantor if needed. The tenant applicant has the same buttons and ability. You'll note here the options to enter the name of the invitee, email, and the applicant type. Note the explanation of how the various applicant types are used within TenantMatch. You can add multiple applicants at the same time using the plus button. Selecting the Archive button will archive the badge and applicant to the bottom of the page to clear any applicant you're no longer considering, but that may not have already been declined or has rejected a pre-approval from you. If you require additional images or documents, you can request them from the applicant in the chat. Additionally, you can send the applicant images and documents using the attachment button here. When an applicant has initiated a pre-approval request, they're inviting you to view their application detail and TransUnion applicant screening result. This will be covered in another video. All showing requests where a pre-approval has not been initiated will appear at the top of this page, allowing you to communicate and organize showings with multiple applicants. You may encourage the applicant to make a pre-approval request before you set up a showing to identify the strength of the application based on your own search criteria. In the next video, we'll show you how to view tenant screening results using TenantMatch.